If you're a fan of wine, there are few better places to indulge your passion than in the vineyards and wineries of North America. From the rolling hills of Napa Valley to the stunning scenery of the Okanagan Valley, the continent is home to some of the world's most renowned wine regions. These destinations offer the perfect blend of top-notch wines, breathtaking scenery, and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're a seasoned oenophile or a curious beginner, these destinations are sure to leave you ready to travel. With more than 400 wineries scattered across the valley's rolling hills, Napa is the ultimate destination for wine lovers. From the iconic vineyards of Robert Mondavi to the family-owned wineries of Rutherford, the valley offers a rich variety of experiences for wine enthusiasts. Napa's vineyards are located on the slopes of the Mayacamas and Baca mountain ranges, offering breathtaking views of the valley and the Pacific Ocean beyond. The region is home to an exciting culinary scene, with top-notch restaurants and food trucks offering the best of the local cuisine. The Okanagan Valley is in the heart of British Columbia's wine country and is home to over 200 wineries. This fabulous region boasts a unique combination of rolling hills, picturesque lakes, and abundant vineyards, making it one of the most beautiful wine regions in North America. Visitors can enjoy wine tastings and tours at the valley's many wineries, as well as explore the area's rich cultural heritage. The region is known for its fruit wines, which are made from a variety of local fruits, including cherries, peaches, and plums. The Okanagan Valley is also home to several fantastic restaurants, which feature local ingredients and wines in their menu offerings. The Willamette Valley is in the heart of Oregon's wine country and is home to over 500 wineries. This picturesque region is known for its green hills, dense forests, and abundant vineyards, making it the perfect destination for wine lovers. Visitors can explore the valley's many wineries and taste the region's famous Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, and Riesling wines. In addition, the valley restaurants will offer menus featuring local ingredients and wine pairings. The Finger Lakes is a region located in upstate New York and is home to over 100 wineries. This stunning region is known for its beautiful lakes and many vineyards, making it a top destination for wine lovers. Explore the region's many wineries and taste the area's famous Riesling and Cabernet Franc wines. In addition, the Finger Lakes have many outdoor activities such as boating, hiking, and fishing to complement your wine tasting adventures. Niagara on the Lake is in the heart of Ontario's wine country and is home to around 70 wineries. This charming Canadian region is known for its picturesque vineyards and historic architecture, making it a must-visit destination whether you're a wine enthusiast or not. Explore the area's many wineries and taste the region's famous ice wine, Chardonnay, and Cabernet Franc wines. Also, don't miss to visit the local restaurants, which pamper their guests with fantastic menus and wine pairings. Sonoma County is in the middle of California's wine country and has a unique mix of natural beauty and different cultures. The area has a lot of vineyards, along with fields, hills, and forests, which make it a beautiful place to go hiking or biking. It also has a lively art scene, with many galleries, theaters, and performance spaces where local artists show off their work. Sonoma County's food scene is also not to be missed. Farm-to-table restaurants and artisanal food producers offer delicious and unique food. Walla Valley is a famous wine region in the southeastern part of the state of Washington. The valley is known for making high-quality wines, especially Cabernet Sauvignon and Syrah. It has more than 100 wineries and more than 2,800 acres of vineyards. Many of these wineries offer tours and tastings, and visitors can also enjoy Walla's charming downtown, which is full of restaurants, art galleries, and small shops. The valley also has beautiful scenery that makes it a great place for outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and golf. Long Island, New York, is a must-visit destination for wine lovers, offering a unique and diverse wine region just a short distance from New York City. With over 60 vineyards and wineries, the area is known for producing high-quality wines such as Merlot, Chardonnay, and Cabernet Franc, among others. In Long Island, you will be able to explore the area's many wineries, taste the region's delicious wines, and take in the scenic, maritime beauty of the surrounding beaches and coastline. Guadalupe Valley in Baja California, Mexico, is quickly becoming one of the most popular wine destinations in North America. With over 150 wineries, this region is known for its warm, dry climate and rich, fertile soil, which produce a variety of delicious grapes like Cabernet Sauvignon and Tempranillo. In addition to the world-class wines, Guadalupe Valley is also home to a thriving culinary scene, with a wide range of restaurants and local eateries serving up delicious and award-winning cuisine. Palisade, Colorado, is a charming and picturesque wine region that offers visitors a unique taste of the American West. With its sunny, dry climate and rich, volcanic soil, Palisade produces a variety of flavorful grapes including Merlot, Syrah, and Riesling. Sample the region's delicious wines, take in the stunning natural beauty of the surrounding mountains and rivers, and enjoy the laid-back, friendly atmosphere of this small Colorado town. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or an educational wine tasting experience, Palisade is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the world of wine. Parras, located in northern Mexico, is a lesser-known but equally impressive wine destination in North America. The San Lorenzo Hacienda was established here in the 16th century to place the first wine cellars in America. The region, with its warm, sunny climate and high-altitude vineyards, produce a variety of wines including Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Chenin Blanc. Explore the wineries, sample the wines, and enjoy the peaceful, rural atmosphere of this charming Mexican town. The Verde Valley in Arizona is a hidden gem among North American wine destinations. The region is known for its unique microclimate and fertile soil, which produce a wide variety of grapes including Cabernet Sauvignon and Viognier. You can explore the area's many wineries and tasting rooms, sample its delicious wines, and take in the stunning natural beauty of the surrounding red rock formations. With its warm, sunny climate and friendly atmosphere, the Verde Valley is the perfect destination for anyone looking to escape the city life. Prince Edward County, on the shores of Lake Ontario, is home to a diverse range of wineries and vineyards. Cool climate wines like Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, and Riesling are made in this area, which is known for its cool breezes and mineral-rich soils. Over 40 wineries and vineyards are open to the public, and many of them offer tastings, tours, and events. The county's beautiful landscape and charming small towns make it a great place to go if you want to enjoy wine in a calm and picturesque setting. Paso Robles, located in California's central coast, is an interesting and diverse wine destination that is definitely worth a visit. With over 200 wineries, Paso Robles offers a wide variety of wines, from Cabernet Sauvignon and Zinfandel to Rhone varietals and blends. The region's unique microclimates and diverse soils result in a range of wine styles, making it a perfect destination for wine enthusiasts seeking variety. North America is home to a diverse range of world-class wine regions, each offering its own unique blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and exceptional wines. From California to Lake Ontario, and from Mexico to British Columbia, these destinations offer a wealth of opportunities for wine lovers and travelers alike. No matter where your tastes and preferences lie, these North American destinations for vineyards and wineries offer something for everyone. So why not start planning your next wine-filled adventure today? You're sure to experience some of the best wines North America has to offer.